similar one, didn't you?
Here and I both being house cleaning people. I mean, it's just ridiculous, isn't it?
I got a very similar one at home. Took off my garden anyway.
It goes back a long time.
Right, okay, thanks.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You happy? Yeah. I wouldn't start in a corner.
All right.
Right,
so it's not very good.
Well, start down here. Right, and then go.
Can I just have your attention about the quilting? If you did that, started stitching, you go down there, go around there, and then she's trying to come up to meet this corner, and that's held down already. When you better to come down somewhere about a third of the way down and take it all the way around and come back to meet it, because you might end up with something like a bubble of fabric going on like that. And if I show you to hold it the right way, pull to the side, and then you keep lifting your foot up and put it back down, do a few stitches, lift your foot up, let the fabric go, and you'll lose any of that. It will just disperse. Okay, but if you kept going with your foot down all the time, you might end up with a pleat. She's got a walking foot on. Right, it's really helpful. It's like having these feed dogs are at the bottom. Well, what you've got is feed dogs on the top now. You can just hold on to it, and if you have to, do 2 stitches in. You know, just okay. If you run off onto here, say I will just stop, cut my threads, pull it back to where I was. That's my worry on this.
What do you want? 17 in each corner. So that you